We have to love each other, brother. You get me? And the thing that kill me the most, the people them where they inside the violence and the people them where they take life, they're young. Them don't even live no life yet. 16, 17, 14. They don't even live no life yet. They just brainwashed because they have a few friends. And their friends have a few guns and say, oh, you hear me? Go over and go kill the man because the man they diss me.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Dog one again, unstoppable family. So people in our Christmas season, things rough, right? And the violence turn up too. See, one bag of thing I go on Jamaica, people. See, just a couple hours ago, police shoot out with gunman. One of the gunman get dead, next one get captured. And then you have a police officer who was shot and injured. But thank God him did have an invest, so him not really get hurt too bad. But people, the crime in Jamaica does go on too wicked. Me go up on the internet this morning and every news article when me go through is something different happen at Jamaica. You understand? It just get more and more out of hand. So me I beg everybody right now for this Christmas season, if you're out there, please be careful, be very vigilant, because the criminal them out there. Now, me have Sergeant Mackie right here, and even though this is not a new video, but it's still relevant to what go on right now. Sergeant Mackie send out this, and I ask the youth them, please, just stop doing what you do, man. There is more to life than the violence. Make we listen what Sergeant Mackie have to say.
Yep. Coming out on the live from work. Pretty busy day at work, but we still find the time. Want to talk about a big monster will affect Jamaica. Crime and violence. Kind of astonished to the fact, trying to figure out what is it that is motivating crime so much in Jamaica. Feel what I say? I try to figure out what the youth them I think about. You get me? Because I don't understand. Some say, you know what? Nobody talk over things no more. You get me? Nobody look by anything anymore. Nobody really want to solve problems. You get me? Because whoever is at the top pushing the young men and women at the bottom, you know, to do violence, at the end of the day, them not up on the back of the field. None of them not dead. The innocent people are dead. You feel me? And it kind of disheartening to the fact we say the youths them, enough of them can't even find a night dinner. Some of them can't even. A lot of things. They can't deal with, can't get them the basic things that they need to survive. But yet still, they find a way to load a gun. And find a way how to buy the gun. We are talking about 150, 200,000 based on my last checks when I'm making a car. You know, as a person up there, go check street value to find out how much it costs. You feel what I say? I'm trying to figure out how the youth afford these, you know, who they brainwash the youth, them and make them know, say, yo, you hear me? Go out this and go kill Tom, go out this and go kill Harry. There's no talking over. But the people out there want to share the video and put it out there. There's a better life, brother. No matter what them telling you, I'm making you feel like, say, there is no other way out and the only way is killing. That's a lie. I come for telling you, say, that a myth. You feel what I say? At the end of the day, only one thing, one person win, and a death. Person get a little part of it, but a death is the ultimate winner at the end of all the killing. You feel what I say, brother? So I want to stop and think about it. You know, we know, say, based on war where they go on, and we don't talk about just Montego Bay, we talk about the whole entire Jamaica. People must dead from both sides. Somebody have to stop and take a chance and say, oh, you hear me? But we shake on. You know, somebody have to stand down and put on the pride aside and say, oh, you hear me? We are going to let this go. Kind of make no sense. You feel me? The sense that's killing don't make no sense. Someone kill a woman and kill Pitney for no reason. I know if you're a fact, say, all the woman will get killed last night or night before last night. What she could have done to you? You feel me? It don't make no sense, youth. You get me? I say, government of Jamaica and the police seems like they drop arms. You know, I don't know if afraid people get afraid. You get me? I say, people like me with the America, more while I come to Jamaica and me the one brother. I tell you, I'm not really afraid, I'm afraid. You get me? I say, somebody have to stop and take a setback, you know, a step back. You know, youths them need to be educated, you know, some of these community leaders. You get me? I say, some of these mentors, some of these so-called top man them where did it need to give the youth them a different vision. You get me? I say, We don't see none of the youth them want become something, you know, like pre for have a business, you know, pre for do something different. You get me? What we need to do as individuals here is, you know, start some little community competition. You get me? I say put together some pool, go into the ministers and talk to them and say, yo, you hear me? But we start some little football competition where, you know, each community and community now agree, get the police presence. You get me? When the police them come in the community come park them vehicle rather than always just want to kill somebody. Get the youth them to come together. Sometimes there's nobody, there's no mediator, there's nobody to stand between the two warring factors and show them say, yo, because sometimes the youth them they not feel brave enough to meet up because some of them don't think they want warring about them afraid. You get me? I say Tom knows say Harry want to kill him and him and Harry at it. You know, when rather if you know say he wish him and Harry could have meet at a mutual spot and talk about them problem. I know say, yo, yeah, hear me brother. We know say Jones get killed out tight in her. We know say Max get killed out tight in her, brother, but it don't make no sense. If we don't stop this, the whole of we are going to end up dead. You feel me I say? So this is where the police come in because the police job is not only to go out there, go arrest and shoot. You know, the police supposed to be mediators in the communities right across Jamaica. You feel me I say? And come in and say, here what we're going. We try a different strategy. When we get the youths them together by some means, where we go have some activities and then can meet. You get me I say? And come in and then can sit and talk about them problem because the police is right there. And them now go come out with them gun. You get me? I say, a man can come and look and say, boy, you know, say, Ariana really want bad youth, but because, you know, the whole incident we are going on, ego, Harry afraid to Tom kill him and Tom afraid to Harry kill him. So here what happened? Just the simple fact that they don't have a mediator, we are standing in the gap, we can make them meet at a spot and stop. That doesn't necessarily mean that they want to be friends. You know, means that Tom and Harry are going to link up tomorrow. But the simple means that they have a mutual understanding. So, yo, you hear me on my side and you on your side. You get me? I say, crime and violence now going on with the wreck Jamaica. You get me? More while I stop and I look on some advertisement and we look on, you know, the beautiful beaches. You get me? I say, the nice hotel, you know, the way Montego Bay are developed. But crime eat up the whole entire city. Criminal gets so brazen. You get me? I say, you have the money to come downtown now, come murder people anytime, anyway. That don't make no sense, youth. You feel me? I say, you know, when I want to get a look on a video, I tell you now. You get me? I say, I did Jamaica for a couple of years and when I did it, I come from one of the roughest, toughest community in a Montego Bay and guess what? I not become a part of statistics. You get me? I say, yes, I have to be tough. Yes, I have to hold up my head. Yes, I have to defend myself to the fact where, you know, but I never get up and a pray for murder and kill innocent people. That not make you bad. That not make you bad. Because enough of you youth, if you put down the gun and you can't fight a war, man go beating up and punching up in the face and you can't defend yourself, brother. You feel me I say? That's a weak and coward. You feel me I say? You run up and screech up and kill one woman and kill two people. That not make you bad. That make you weak. You feel me? A strong man is able to forgive. A strong person is able to talk over them problems and know say, yo, you hear me? Yo, we live, brother. Everything that always have to end in a violence. And I look on the great United States and Russia. You get me? I say, these countries, you know, have super militaries. You get me? I say, they can go at war with it, brother. We can go at war with Russia any day. But these people keep mutual understanding. They have mutual interests. And stop and say, oh, you hear me? If we go at war, a whole heap of people are going to dead for Russia, a whole heap of people are going to dead for America. It no matter who win. If both of we go lose, have mass casualties. And I saw the youth, them have to start think. And realize, say, oh, you hear me? Yeah. Yo, we tougher than them, they set a man there, them set a man they tough. But you have to stop and think, say, yo, when you go there, so, and lick them man there, them man will come back and lick somebody. So what is it? Is it hard for we or for the youths and swallow them pride and say, yo, you hear me, brother? Just in case we go priest or we go lick a man, we might end up, make the war continue and me lose a cousin or me lose a auntie or me lose a friend. Where we could have went save if we went over. You feel me? I say, all my life, I have issues with a whole bunch of people. You get me? I say, I have issues with people. Me hear about people where when I there in Jamaica, because no one might know, me used to be police down there. Me hear about people who tell themselves, say, yo, them will kill me. And and a bag of things. And me and them good today. It's not because I'm afraid of them. You feel me? I say? Because guess what? I'm properly trained on the police side and the military side. And I could have went pre-evil, I could have went pre for do a lot of things. I have enough money where I could have went side influence. But I stop and say, you know what, as an individual, there's things we can talk over. And I feel good about myself knowing, say, yo, we talk over whatever problems we have and look past it. I know I can walk free to an extent and them can walk free, them not have to worry about me. You feel me? I say, yeah, I still go look over my shoulder and protect my back. But I not worry about them because I make peace with my aggressors. And sometimes we have to learn to make peace with people. Because not everything have to end with violence. You feel what I say? As I say, I want everybody to take the time out to watch the thing, share the thing we want to spread across Jamaica. Peace, the violence and the bloodshed have to stop. And it start with each and every one of us. You feel what I say? It start with each and every youth. We go stop and take a look and look on them. I come from the garrison. You know, there's nice life, there's nice cars. You get me? I say, there's places in the world to see. I just come from Germany, man, they are Poland. You get me? Right now, I go take a look, I go to Korea. You get me? Even though the military I take me there, but I'm good and I see some monuments, I see some things in the world, brother. There's a lot more to life. You get me? There's a lot more to life than taking a life, brother. You feel me? Because at the end of the day, some of we don't even know what is promised beyond this life, brother. Some of we grew up with Christian beliefs, some of we grew up with a lot of things, but we don't know what really promised beyond this life. We can't give life, so we have to kind of step back and take in life, brother. You feel me, I say? We have to love each other, brother. You get me? And the thing that kill me the most, the people them where they inside the violence and the people them where they take life, they're young, them don't even live no life yet. 16, 17, 14. They don't even live no life yet. They just brainwash because they have a few friends. And their friends have a few guns and say, oh, you hear me? Go over there, go kill the man, because the man, they diss me. And some of them don't even have to stop and step back and say, yo, Jano, why am I going to do this? You and the man don't have nothing. You get me? You know, stop and think and say, yo, the man have a son, the man have a daughter, and you have a wife, and you have a mother, and somebody will go miss him. Put yourself in the person's position. The person could even know say you and him have something. You feel me, I say? What if somebody take out your life the same way? No, your mother, your sister, or whoever, whatever sibling or whatever friends you have go miss you and cry the same way because of a stupid decision, because you never stop and think. You feel me, I say? So I tell the youth, some want to stop and think and realize that there is more to life. Pre-education, you get me, I say? Pre-migration, you know, pre-development, you get me, I say? Think about how you can get yourself involved because the whole system starts from up at the top where they don't want to better. And one set of people want to have money because crime affect rich people to an extent, but it don't really affect them. You feel me, I say? Why do you watch Damien Crawford I say a thing and it makes sense? You know, I see now broke a war with them in the next door community. Rich people don't really get themselves involved in a crime to that the level where you say, I set a rich man, I pick up gun and go over there and go shoot up our next rich man. It's only poor people, that a poor people mentality, that a slavery mentality. And we have to get away from that. And we as parents have to educate with youth, we have to educate with friends. You get me, I say? Somehow we know some people out there, we are so-called tough guy. You get me, I say? We are so-called stepper. We have to talk to them and make them know, say, oh, you hear me, brother? You have to stop and get away from this, you're going to end up dead. You get me, I say? I'm really like, it really affect me to the extent when I know, say, yo, some people me say are dead, they don't deserve for dead. Some of them just because me know somebody. Say, you want to tell me, say, me come to Jamaica and true, me know a man, and he might involve and I go on with something, I might run up on me and say, boy, I'm going to shoot me because me know that the man there, and if him kill me, he feel to himself, say, hurt that the man the feelings. Come on, bro. Come on, you have to stop somewhere. We have to make a stand. We have to make a difference, brother. You feel me, I say? If we don't stand up for something, we are going to fall for everything. And some of the little youth, them need guidance and they start from home. Some of the mothers want to wake up and when soon the sun come in, try to figure out which part they're there. Call them on them phone. Make sure them the inside of the house. You get me, I say? You have to start nurture with child. We have to take back the thing, you know. Because I say, yo, train up your child in the way they should grow. You get me, I say? Remember when I look at youth, you know. I couldn't bore my ears till me at 18. My mother give me some bump, excuse me French, my mother give me some lick. And my big said my old lady. I get me, I say, I have some little friend and I go up, you know, in a few days and I grew up because I'm an old man. A Rockstone and Cuban war. And I have one little gang of friend and I roll it up a sauce ring and look war go on, but them time the war ain't kind of different. Because we go up the road to fling some big stone pan them like a money or been a war with Pleasant View man and some big stone and back and Sunday with the ball field and play football. And if them beat win a football, we fling two big stone off of them and they run down the road. And everybody good, but nobody in the pre for snuff out of life. Nobody in the pre for kill and murder people like that all the while. You feel me, I say? So, me now say go back to the days of ignorance, brother, but them days ain't even better. You feel me? Because guess what happened? If me fling two big stone off a filmman man or a filmman man fling two big stone off, I don't have to worry about in the night when me I walk going in my yard, if a man go come put 2 gunshots in my head because we have a difference. You get me? I say, a lot of these people turn to gun because they're not brave enough, they can't fight. You feel me? So we need to start educate our children. We need to make them understand that there is a better way out. You get me? I say, in spite of what society tell me, in spite of what the outlook what we look upon life, in spite of being poor, you get me? I say, enough of our kids, with nephews, with nieces, they are out the door at night time at bleach. Which part then there? We need to find them. We need to pull them in and call them in the house and say, yo, you hear me? Me not see you come in last night. As a parent, you're afraid to talk to your kids and say, yo, which part you went there? If you're not in my house by certain time, come out of my house. You get me? I say, me I go call the police. This not right. You have to stop what you do. We have to get involved. Everybody have to get involved. Crime is everybody thing. Yes, the police them nah do because you know the police them are come under pressure by income. I get me? I say, so the police them afraid for act up. So crime have to become everybody problem in order for we to take it back. We have to take it back from the, we have to take back Jamaica from the criminal them. Jamaica used to nice. Remember when we used to party from Sunday to Sunday? You get me? I say, we have Sunday party, we have early Monday. You get me? I say, no, we have early Tuesday, we have walkout Wednesday, you know, we have tipsy Thursday, we have Friday night party, you know, Saturday night with their moods. You get me? I say, Thursday night we're going at the local uptown people in place with their Margaritaville. Warm to Jamaica. No man no want no woman again. You better someone when still a focus on pum pum. Can't say the word I really want to say. You feel me? I say, better someone when they focus on money. You get me? I say. Some of my hustlers, them have to say, yo, no have some little soldier around, no. But soldier them full. Because guess what, alone want to make money, all you want to do is buy gun, get them. And if you protect your head back, and as you know, and a man have a difference, and you point out on the finger and say, go, they go kill him. You get me? I say. You don't elevate the youth them and show them how to make money too. Because you don't want to stay in control of them. You don't always can point on the finger and say them, say, yo, go and go do this. But you don't want them to have money like you know. So you mislead them. You have to stop. You feel me? I say? You have to stop, brother. And it hurt me to my heart to see the people that are dead. 6 people a day. Some people say the man can't sit down and play them in our roadside again. No man can't play in a loady and gamble and for a word and say, a man can shoot them again. Me can't do a Jamaica again and me and a man have a difference and me say, F off and him say F off and him gone about him business and me not have to worry. Me can stay on my spot and still play loady again. I know so me not have to worry about him. You tell me how I feel and me tell you how I feel. Freedom of speech now they are Jamaica again. Because I have to watch them say because a man will come kill me. Joke thing that you have to stop. You feel me? You have to stop, brother. I know always me I go and watch it from me I go and watch it from abroad and I look on the thing where I go on down the brother. But it break my heart to see some of the people them like but couldn't hold it no more. I have to come out and say something. You get me I say? But yo, to everybody, I will upload a video. I just want to share it and pass it on and just make the youth them know there is more to life. You get me I say? There's places to see. You get me I say? There's money to be made. You get me I say? We need some more innovators. You know? We need, yo, Jamaican smart. Hold on before me even come off and go. I left Jamaica with 3 SSC and just my high school diploma. CXC not really mean nothing in America. GCE not really mean nothing in America. That alone can get you in a college in America. You feel me I say? That alone can get you in a college. That is how they look on Jamaican education. So some of these things, you know, from even in a high school, we need to talk to the youths them. And she said, outside of the horizon, Jamaica make it hard because guess what? From a youth finish high school, America, and can go to college. Jamaica make it hard and pressure education more than what it is supposed to be. Yo, if me not have 5 CXC, me can't get in a this college or me can't get in a college. A foolishness that. Real foolishness that. High school diploma, me don't even ever show nobody my transcript without SSC and none. High school diploma alone. Alright, now me I pursue a fucking degree, excuse my French, a degree in a criminal justice. You feel me I say? So, we just want the youth them get educated, lay down the gun them. You know? Everybody want to try to organize for each one on the community some little football competition. Go down to the soup, superintendent and say, yo, so me tell that crime and violence in my era. As somebody has an influence on people, because I know 1 and 2 influential people did it, where the youth them now go point them gun pan because they look up to you. One might can't tell them, say, yo, put it down. But you know what? Get yourself involved and say, you know, it's Tom Strokes and John now agree. But no, want to look at football competition. You can get to John and say, yo, I hear me build a team. You can get to the next man and say, yo, build a team, I want to come meet, brother. You get me, I say, get the police involved, make the police come park up. And then solve them different. See if the youth them can sit down and talk. Get some guineas and things and then sit down and chat and say, oh, you know, so this one, that one, that one. Probably the only place they know they can meet and then have them going and everything good at the moment. You feel what I say? So get the word out. Big up the whole entire Mobile. You get me, I say? Every time you know Mobile my place. So this is my born and grow. Salt Spring, Glendevon, Quarry, Rosite, Fellman Corner, Green Pan, CLM, Granville, Flankers. You get me, I say? Paradise now, the Albion Lane, Canterbury, everywhere, the whole St. James. Big up on yourself, you. There's more to life. You feel me, I say? Big up the whole entire Jamaica. You get what I say? Sergeant Martin coming at you. I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.